BistroMD is a meal delivery service that's designed for those looking to lose weight or eat healthier without having to cook. If you're thinking about signing up, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know before buying, so you can make a decision that's right for you. First things first. BistroMD offers doctor-designed meals, which means you're not just getting prepackaged food, but meals that are specifically created to meet your nutritional needs. Compared to competitors like Freshly or Nutrisystem, BistroMD really stands out in the customization department. You can choose from a range of meal plans including keto, diabetic-friendly, and heart-healthy, which cater to different dietary needs. This focus on medically backed nutrition is what sets BistroMD apart. Next thing to know is the variety of meals. Unlike many other meal delivery services that offer repetitive or bland options, BistroMD offers a wide range of choices. With BistroMD, you're getting high-quality ingredients and diverse meal options. Whether you're craving something Italian, Mediterranean, or a classic American dish, you won't feel like you're stuck eating the same meals every week. And unlike some competitors like Nutrisystem, BistroMD is known for having meals that actually taste good, which can make a huge difference over time. The third thing is the flexibility of your meal plan. One thing that stands out with BistroMD is that you can tailor your plan based on your specific preferences. You can opt for 5-day or 7-day meal plans, and you even have the option to pause or cancel your plan whenever you need to. This is a huge benefit, as some competitors can lock you into a subscription model that is harder to adjust to. Now, let's talk about cost. BistroMD is on the pricier side compared to many other meal delivery services, especially if you opt for their premium meals or higher tier plans. However, the value comes with the doctor-designed aspect, and if you're someone who's looking for high-quality, customized meals to help with weight loss or managing a health condition, it's a price that might be worth it. For the most part, you're paying for the quality, and that's something you won't always get with other brands, like Freshly, which is cheaper but doesn't have the same level of medical oversight. The fifth thing to know is about shipping. BistroMD offers free shipping with most of their plans, which is a big plus, considering many competitors either charge for shipping or don't include it in the price up front. Shipping times are generally quick, and your meals arrive frozen, so you can store them until you're ready to eat. The convenience factor here is pretty huge. The sixth thing to consider is their customer service. BistroMD is known for having great support, and the company offers a dietitian service to guide you through your plan and help with any questions. This kind of personalized support is something you won't get from more mass-market services, like Freshly, where you're mainly left to figure it out yourself. Finally, the seventh thing you should know is the trial options. If you're still unsure, BistroMD offers a free trial for first-time customers, so you can test the waters and see if their meals are a good fit for you. This is one of the best deals you can get compared to other services that either don't offer free trials or make the process difficult. This gives you a no-risk way to try BistroMD and decide for yourself. So, if you're interested in trying BistroMD for yourself and want to take advantage of their best free trial offer, click the first link in the description below. By signing up through this link, you'll get exclusive benefits and can start your journey with doctor-designed meals tailored to your needs. Don't miss out. Click the link and start your trial today.